I use the Cuckoo air purifier in my office. It removes the pet hair and most of the airborne particles. Works fantastic. I love the design. It blends in any room, any setup. Let me show you a few more details. It has RGB lights on top. With the lights off, you can probably see better. Really appreciate this handle design. It's just a half ring. It folds down or lift up, so it's super easy to move it around. This is what it looks like in the evening. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the controls on the top, on and off. These are touch sensitive. The mode, high speed, medium speed, and automatic. That's the maximum speed setting. That's night mode, where the fan noise will be dramatically reduced and there is no RGB light. With one touch, the light will come on and it will turn off. And after a few seconds, there is a timer. 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, and off. There's also a dedicated light switch and the brightness setting. Usually I'll just leave the light setting on because it's very interesting to look at. The filter replacement is really straightforward. Turn it off first and pull the latch. And you'll get this cylinder shape filter core out. To reinstall it, simply insert it back and close the latch. There's UV light, enhance the cleaning experience of the UVC, helps with germs, bacteria. It has a huge coverage, up to 726 square feet, which is more than enough for my office. And there's a UV light inside, I can show you. And the alert will come on if the filter needs to be replaced.